Hi guys, and welcome to another Motivational Monday. My house is trashed. I am going to do a clean with me vlog. I am pretty much a hot mess today. I am dressed to be comfortable and to be cleaning and getting the house in order because it's pretty bad right now. So hopefully this will motivate you to get your house clean as well, because I don't think it gets much worse than it is right now. We are coming off of my husband's birthday, and we've just had a lot of stuff going on, and the house has been neglected. The laundry has been neglected. I haven't kept up with dishes or just decluttering or putting things away in general. So I am going to show you around the worst areas of my house right now, and I'm going to bring you along with me today as I clean up as best as I can. All right, I'm going to show you guys some of the messes that I have going on that I need to deal with. Here's my kitchen. Okay, I'm just going to give you a glimpse of the mudroom because that's pretty bad as well. Somehow the shoes never make it to the shoe rack. The kids just kind of kick them off here, and with all the salt outside right now, everything is a mess in the mudroom. And here's my countertop. Lovely, isn't it? Sink full of dishes. This all has to be taken care of. My husband's birthday was the other day, so we have this mess in here as well. And between the dogs and my family, the living room is also a mess. My husband received a lot of alcohol for his birthday, so that's all over. Then, believe it or not, my kids did not finish putting away their Christmas presents, so that is all still laying around. Okay guys, so the kitchen is way better than it was before. I still have some bowls to clean out, but other than that, all the dishes have been taken care of. I decluttered a ton. I got a bunch of stuff out of here, wiped down the countertops. The living room is tidied up, and the house is relatively clean, like as far as vacuuming and mopping and cleaning bathrooms. That was done recently, so it's more a matter of decluttering, although I will give everything a quick wipe down. So my next challenge is the dining room, which is kind of in a really bad place right now. So first I'm going to take a lunch break. I'm going to have some soup and sit down for a little bit because tidying up can be really exhausting. And it is about an hour past lunchtime. It's nearly 2 o'clock, I think, and that's pretty late for me to be having lunch. So I'm going to take a little bit of a break, and then we will get back to cleaning. And after I do the dining room, guess what? I have about 2 loads of laundry waiting for me that need to be done as well. So we're just gonna keep moving. For lunch, I'm just having this very yummy pasta fazool. It's like filled with beans and noodles, and it's just so good. So I'm gonna have that with some crackers, and then I'm probably gonna just relax and watch some YouTube for a little bit, and then we will get back to work. Chester is so happy that I cleaned up the couch for him. Now he has all his blankets and his pillow and he can get all cozy on the couch. Is that your favorite spot, Chester? You look so good there. You're so cute. And here we are back in the dining room. Lots of decluttering that needs to be done. I already started clearing up this end of the table. So we had like some bowls and desserts and things over there. I have some things to sort through and some things to put away. Actually, it probably looks worse than it is. Right, Leo? Are you gonna help? Are you gonna help me clean today? You're such a good boy. I know you would if you could. So yeah, that's it. I mean, I'm sure this will take no time. And then we get to do all of the laundry, which is so much fun. Yes, it is. Okay, back to work. So that is much better. I got a lot of stuff out of here. So we're all tidied up now in the dining room. These guys are making me feel so bad because it's so icy outside and I can't go for a WALK when the weather is like this, but they break my heart because they just stand by the door looking at me. I mean, they can go outside plenty. We have a fenced in yard, but they like it when we go on adventures. You guys want to go outside? You gonna go outside? I can't come, but you guys can go. Come on. Okay, it's time for a treat. I still have lots of desserts left over from my husband's 50th birthday celebrations that we've been having. So I am gonna have a brownie and a drink, take a little snack break, and then we will get back to work. My husband just picked this up for me. Every time he sees a really good Disney related magazine, he always gets it for me, and it's so really thoughtful and kind. But this one is all about 50 years of Disney World, and it has some stories about Walt, which I think is really interesting. And I'm excited to sit down and take a look through this later on tonight. So I don't know, I still think it's fun to look through magazines, and there's some really great articles in here and really great photographs as well. Look at that. Really cool. Love it. So that's going to be fun to look at later. This is still out from when we went to see Dear Evan Hansen last weekend. Such a great show. It's amazing. Definitely, guys, get to the city and see a Broadway show if and when you can, because you will not be disappointed. All right, I'm going to keep moving along here. If you guys watched previous vlogs, you know that Coco likes to attack the laundry while I'm doing it. But today she's too cozy here on the heating vent. She just basically lays and the heat's coming out and warming up her paws. And she loves it. Is it nice and toasty warm there? Yes, it is. Yeah. Okay guys, so that is going to be it for today's Motivational Monday. I really hope that you enjoyed coming along. I hope that you have enjoyed all of the Motivational Mondays that I shared throughout the month. We got some good stuff done this month, I think. We did pretty good. If you want to check out my playlist, I have done this before, so feel free to go back and watch all of the videos. Maybe it will help motivate you to get something done around the house. There's always so much to do, isn't there? It kind of never ends. So I think it's great to watch these once in a while just to give you that extra push to get things done. If you are needing to get things done, it might just help you out a little bit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well wherever you're at. Please like this video if you enjoy these types of videos, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I really, really would greatly appreciate it. I'll see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.